Greetings, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another S25 Ultra case showing. And today we have the company Crave. Got a couple cases for us to check out. We got 3 different colors, and we want to show you what they're all about. But before we get into that, if you can please subscribe this channel, we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the support, and just continue to support us and leave your comments below if you have any questions. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So once again, we have a couple cases that are sent by Crave, and we appreciate them and shout them out. They always have excellent cases for us to review. And the 3 colors that we have today are red, slate, and forest green. And this is for your S25 Ultra. Now, these cases start off at $15.99, and currently you can get these on sale for I think 5% off on Amazon exclusively. So I have the 3, and it's not plain to see that these cases and this company has been around for a long time. So they have been securing your phones, iPhones that I reviewed on this channel, Google Pixel I've reviewed on my channel, and you can see those videos at my channel. But today we're going to talk about the nice and comfy S25 Ultra, and we're going to suit it up with a Crave case. And the first case we're going to put on there is the red color. So the red color is one of my favorites. I like the way it pops, and this is a true red compared to the red that Samsung sees red. But let's go ahead and put it on, and as you can see, it is really easy to put on. Now let's talk about what this case represents. So this case is a dual guard, and it has 2 layers. So it has a thermoplastic polyurethane cover right here, which is the black, and then it has a polycarbonate hard shell on the back here. So it is going to secure your S25 Ultra. Now, upon further look, you can kind of split these 2 layers apart, and you can kind of see that the polycarbonate is, you know, just the outside, and the polyurethane cover is right here. And even with just this alone, which, you know, I recommend you doing because it doesn't feel as secure, you can kind of see that they have the camera cutouts very tall. The bezel is very tall, so your protected layer of your camera holes are nice. And then let's look even further with our USB-C cutout. So you have access to that real easy. And then you got access to your stylus real easy. All right, let's go ahead and put our polycarbonate case back on and just show you what it looks like. And I have my jet black S25 Ultra, so the colors do pop, and it looks like it's a part of the case. So that's another cool attribute about it. And then let's talk about the bezels on the front. Now, does this protect your phone from drops? So I do have a timber glass protection right here. And as you can see, I do still have some lip protection. So it's being able to drop on the floor. It's not going to be the end of the day for you. It does have an exposure for your antenna, so you can get excellent coverage and service. And the last thing we're going to talk about when it comes to this, other than the buttons being extra clicky, is the fact that, we'll just hear the buttons real quick. Let's see about the wireless charging. So I got my wireless charging pad here. Let's go ahead and put it on there. And as you can see, the wireless charging pad works. Now, one added bonus I wanted to test out is the fact that, as you've seen in when I first put this on, I did have a sticker here. I wanted to see if the MagSafe does work, even though this has 2 layers. And I have my trusty MagSafe accessory here. And as you can see, it doesn't work. So if you do have a MagSafe ring sticker that you have to your S25 Ultra to get MagSafe, it will not work with these cases. So a little bit of a bummer, but you kind of expected that because it has, you know, 2 layers of protection here. So just keep that in mind. And for those who wasn't sure if this ring was working already, here's the test. And as you can see, it rotates and it sticks to it. So it is what it is. So just keep that in mind. But for $15.99, even when on sale, this is still pretty good. And as you can see, it has those grooves that help absorb some of the drop if you do drop it. But this is a very solid case for you to, have and hold and protect your S25 Ultra. Now, just another part of the video, we're just going to look at the other colors. And right now I have my forest green. And as you can see, the polycarbonate is green on the outside. And then the polyurethane color here is not black, it is green. So they do have the second set of colors, so you don't have to necessarily stare at black in whatever color split. So as you can see, we can put it on, and this is what it looks like with forest green. So as you can see, got the 2 layers of protection, and it just looks very nice. And you can't complain about Crave cases, and this is awesome. And we're gonna take that one off, and they're very easy to come off, as you can see. And the last one we're gonna do is the slate. So for those who don't want the popping colors of green and red, you can get you a nice muted case slate. And once again, you can just start from the bottom and then slide it down and push it in. And very compatible, and it feels great in the hand. And you don't have any just reservations about dropping it. And this polyurethane is black. And as you can see, and the polycarbonate is slate. So, don't sit around and just have like your S25 Ultra just, bare around here. Throw a Crave case in there for $15, $16. And you can get wireless protection. You can get wireless charging. And you can get all your camera buttons and camera cutouts, like fully in depth in it. So just do yourself a favor and just get these cases and don't play. You can get 6 colors. They have for 6 colors, but I got these nice 3, and these are my favorite out of the 6. But once again, this is the Crave cases for your S25 Ultra. If you have any comments below, please do. Do you have these cases? Let me know. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and thank you for all your support. Peace out.